Hello and welcome to our lecture on the study of information systems. The study of information systems is a multidisciplinary field that combines insights from technical and behavioral disciplines. In this lecture, we will explore both the technical and behavioral approaches to information systems. First, let's discuss the technical approach. The technical approach to information systems focuses on the physical technology and formal capabilities of these systems, as well as mathematically based models to study them. The disciplines that contribute to this approach include computer science, management science, and operations research. Computer science is concerned with establishing theories of computability, methods of computation, and methods of efficient data storage and access. Management science emphasizes the development of models for decision-making and management practices. Operations research focuses on mathematical techniques for optimizing selected parameters of organizations, such as transportation, inventory control, and transaction costs. Now let's move on to the behavioral approach to information systems. This approach is concerned with behavioral issues that arise in the development and long-term maintenance of information systems. These issues include strategic business integration, design, implementation, utilization, and management. Behavioral disciplines such as sociology, psychology, and economics contribute important concepts and methods to the study of information systems. Sociologists study information systems with an eye toward how groups and organizations shape the development of systems and also how systems affect individuals, groups, and organizations. Psychologists study information systems with an interest in how human decision-makers perceive and use formal information. Economists study information systems with an interest in what impact systems have on control and cost structures within the firm and within markets. The behavioral approach does not ignore technology. In fact, information systems technology is often the stimulus for a behavioral problem or issue. However, the focus of this approach is generally not on technical solutions. Instead, it concentrates on changes in attitudes, management and organizational policy, and behavior. Now I am going to explain business perspective on information systems. From a business perspective, information systems are seen as tools that can be used to create value for the organization. This value can take many forms, including increased productivity, revenue growth, and a stronger competitive position in the market. Investments in information technology are often made with the expectation that they will lead to superior returns for the business. For example, a company may invest in a new customer relationship management system with the hope that it will improve its ability to sell products and services, leading to increased revenue. Similarly, a company may invest in a new manufacturing system with the goal of improving efficiency and productivity, resulting in cost savings and higher profits. In addition to these direct benefits, investments in information systems can also lead to long-term strategic positioning advantages. For example, a company that is able to use data analytics to identify and target new markets may be able to differentiate itself from its competitors and secure a stronger position in the industry. Overall, the business perspective on information systems is that they are important tools for creating value and achieving long-term success. I am now going to explain business information value chain. The business information value chain refers to the series of steps that raw data goes through in order to become valuable information. Raw data is collected and transformed through various stages that add value to it, ultimately leading to better business decisions, increased efficiency, and higher profits. The stages in the business information value chain include data acquisition, data preparation, data transformation, data analysis, information dissemination, and decision-making. Data acquisition, raw data is collected from various sources, such as sensors, databases, and other systems. Data preparation, raw data is cleaned, formatted, and structured in a way that makes it usable for analysis. Data transformation, raw data is transformed into a form that can be easily analyzed, such as by aggregating or summarizing it. Data analysis, Data is analyzed using statistical or machine learning techniques to extract insights and find patterns. Information dissemination: the insights and patterns discovered through data analysis are shared with decision makers and other stakeholders. Decision-making: the valuable information is used to inform business decisions, leading to increased efficiency and higher profits. The value of an information system is determined in part by the extent to which it leads to better decisions, greater efficiency, and higher profits. By effectively managing the business information value chain, organizations can create a competitive advantage and drive business success. Let's talk about complementary assets. Complementary assets are resources or investments that are required in order to fully realize the value of a primary investment in information technology. These assets may include organizational, managerial, and social assets. Organizational assets refer to the structures and processes within an organization that support the use of information technology. Examples of organizational assets include an appropriate business model and efficient business processes. Managerial assets refer to the management practices and systems that support the use of information technology. Examples of managerial assets include incentives for management innovation and teamwork and collaborative work environments. Social assets refer to the larger societal and technological context in which an organization operates. Examples of social assets include the Internet and telecommunications infrastructure and technology standards. It's important to consider all three types of complementary assets when implementing a new information system, as they all play a role in realizing the full value of the technology. Investing in complementary assets in addition to technology can lead to superior returns on the primary investment. We are now going to discuss the role of information systems in business today. Information systems play a crucial role in modern business operations. They support a wide range of activities, including data management, decision-making, communication, and collaboration. Some specific ways that information systems are used in business today include data management, decision-making, communication, and automation. Data management: information systems are used to store, organize, and process data. This includes both structured data, such as financial records and customer lists, and unstructured data, such as emails and documents. Decision-making: information systems provide data and analysis tools that can help businesses make informed decisions. For example, a company might use a decision support system to analyze market trends and make recommendations about investments or operational changes. Communication: information systems are used to facilitate communication and collaboration within a business, as well as with external stakeholders such as customers and partners. Automation: information systems can be used to automate many business processes, such as order processing and inventory management. This can help improve efficiency and reduce the risk of errors. Overall, information systems play a vital role in helping businesses operate more effectively and efficiently, and in supporting their long-term goals and objectives. How information systems are transforming business. Information systems are transforming businesses in many ways, including enabling remote work, improving decision-making, enhancing customer experiences, increasing efficiency, and supporting new business models. Enabling remote work: information systems and technologies, such as cloud computing and collaboration tools, have made it easier for employees to work remotely and for businesses to have a distributed workforce. Improving decision-making: information systems provide businesses with access to a vast amount of data, which can be used to inform decision-making and strategic planning. Enhancing customer experiences: information systems can be used to personalize customer interactions and experiences, such as by providing personalized recommendations or offering tailored customer service. Increasing efficiency: automation and other information system-supported processes can help businesses operate more efficiently and reduce the risk of errors. Supporting new business models: information systems can enable businesses to offer new products and services, such as subscription-based models or on-demand services. Overall, information systems are playing a key role in driving business transformation and helping businesses to adapt to changing market conditions. New trends in management information systems. Mobile digital platform. A mobile digital platform is a software application that is designed to be used on a mobile device, such as a smartphone or tablet. This trend is increasing in popularity because it allows businesses to provide employees with access to important information and tools while they are on the go. Online software as a service, SaaS refers to a model of software delivery where a software application is hosted by a third-party provider and made available to users over the internet. This trend is growing in popularity because it allows businesses to access software without having to install it on their own computers, which can be more cost-effective and easier to maintain. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model of computing where resources, such as servers, storage, and software applications, are provided over the internet rather than being hosted locally. This trend is becoming increasingly popular because it allows businesses to access computing resources on demand, which can be more cost-effective and flexible than maintaining their own in-house infrastructure. Globalization challenges and opportunities. A flattened world. The term a flattened world refers to the increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of countries and regions around the world. This globalization trend presents both challenges and opportunities for businesses. On the one hand, it can create new markets and opportunities for expansion, but on the other hand, it can also increase competition and expose businesses to new risks, such as currency fluctuations and political instability. The emerging digital firm. The emergence of the digital firm refers to the increasing use of digital technologies and the internet to conduct business. This trend presents opportunities for businesses to reach new customers and markets, and to operate more efficiently through the use of digital tools and automation. However, it also presents challenges, such as the need to keep up with rapidly changing technologies and the risk of cyber threats. Strategic business objectives of information systems. Strategic business objectives are long-term goals that an organization aims to achieve in order to succeed in its market and industry. Information systems can play a key role in supporting the achievement of these objectives by providing the tools and capabilities needed to carry out business activities and make informed decisions. Some examples of strategic business objectives that information systems can help to support include: operational excellence. Information systems can help businesses streamline their operations and increase efficiency by automating processes, improving data management, and enabling real-time decision-making. Customer and supplier intimacy. Information systems can help businesses better understand and meet the needs of their customers and suppliers by providing tools for gathering and analyzing customer data, and by enabling personalized interactions and communications. New products, services, and business models. Information systems can support the development and delivery of new products, services, and business models by providing the necessary tools and infrastructure for innovation and experimentation. Improved decision-making. Information systems can provide businesses with the data and analysis tools needed to make informed decisions and respond to changing market conditions. Overall, the strategic business objectives of an organization will depend on its specific goals and industry context, and information systems can play a key role in supporting the achievement of these objectives. Hey guys! Thanks for watching our lecture video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Your support helps us to continue creating high-quality content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.